CCI, Crash Course Instrumentation, presents Episode 16, Sanitary Connections and Diaphragm, Seals, CIP, CIP, Dead Leg Avoidance, Hook and Promise. If you build food, beverage, or pharma piping like ordinary process pipe, you build a cleaning problem. By the end of this episode, you will know how sanitary ferrules seal, how to avoid dead legs, how diaphragm seals protect instruments, and what CIP and CIP demand from your hardware. Acronym Quick Guide and Fast IDs. CIP equals Clean-In-Place. Circulate cleaning solutions through equipment without disassembly. SIP equals Steam in Place. Sterilize piping and instruments with clean steam. Sanitary ferrule, tri-clamp, smooth ferrules, plus hygienic gasket, plus clamp, no threads in the product zone. Diaphragm seal, equals thin metal diaphragm filled with a clean, compatible fluid that transmits pressure to the instrument while isolating the process. Quick IDs, polished surfaces, crevice-free joints, clamps you can open quickly, and slopes that drain by gravity. Roadmap. Sanitary ferrules and gaskets. Dead leg avoidance and drainability. Diaphragm seals and fill fluids. CIP-CIP compatibility and safety. Sanitary ferrules and gaskets, crevice-free by design. Sanitary joints use two smooth ferrules, a hygienic gasket, and a clamp that compresses the gasket evenly. The sealing happens at the gasket, not on threads, so there are no spiral leak paths or crevices to trap product. Gasket materials, EPDM, for many aqueous surfaces and steam. Viton, fluoroelastomer, for many chemicals and higher temperatures. PTFE, for aggressive media and temperature extremes. Always match material to the fluid and cleaning chemistry. Assembly habits. Align ferrules squarely. Keep faces clean and scratch-free. Tighten clamps evenly. Replace gaskets that are nicked, swollen, or flattened. Design intent. No threads or porous surfaces in the product stream. Smooth finishes and radiused corners that are easy to clean and inspect. Dead leg avoidance and drainability. A dead leg is a stagnant pocket where product or cleaning solution can sit. Keep branches short and slope them back to drain toward the main line. Place instruments so their cavities naturally drain. Pressure taps on the side for liquids, on top for gases when appropriate. Avoid pockets that trap one phase. Support gently so clamps and gaskets are not side-loaded. Misalignment creates crevices and early gasket wear. A diaphragm seals. Protect the instrument, keep it clean. A diaphragm seal isolates the process from the instrument. A thin metal diaphragm flexes against a fill fluid that transmits pressure to the sensor. Why we use them. Keep product out of instrument cavities. Tolerate high viscosity, crystals, or solids. Separate instruments from aggressive cleaners or steam. Fill fluids. Common choices include silicone oils for broad temperature range and food-grade glycerin for sanitary service. Choose a fluid compatible with operating and cleaning temperatures. Mounting tips. Avoid trapping gas in liquid service or liquid in gas service. Route capillaries to minimize temperature gradients. Protect capillaries from kinks and vibration. CIP-CIP basics and compatibility. A typical CIP sequence includes pre-rinse, detergent wash, intermediate rinse, and a final sanitizing step. SIP uses clean steam to sterilize surfaces. Hardware must handle temperature swings, chemical exposure, and flow velocities that scrub surfaces. Gaskets and fill fluids must remain stable across that range. After initial heat-up cool-down cycles, recheck clamp tightness and look for weeps. Thermal growth can relax joints. Safety notes. High temperature, pressure, and caustic cleaners are hazardous. Verify isolation, wear eye-hand protection, and vent slowly. Steam burns fast. Crack valves carefully and stand clear of potential jet paths. Label lines and instruments with media and flow direction so cleaning crews can confirm the path at a glance. History moment. As modern dairies and pharmaceuticals scaled up in the mid-20th century, crevice-free joints and fast, verifiable cleaning became essential. Clamp-style sanitary ferrules and diaphragm seals spread because they made safe, repeatable cleaning practical on an industrial schedule. Quick recap. Sanitary ferrules, crevice-free gaskets, smooth finishes, even clamp load. Avoid dead legs and design for natural drainage. Use diaphragm seals and compatible fill fluids to protect instruments. CIP demand temperature and chemistry-resistant materials and good safety habits. Teaser and credits. Next up is episode 17, tubing and compression fittings, ferrules, makeup, remakes, and the little mistakes that cause big leaks. Special thanks to Tony Cophalt and the open source community. Crash Course Instrumentation stands on your shoulders. If this helped, please like and subscribe and share it with a classmate or a coworker.